So today we're going to have a very quick unboxing video of the new Nokia 8 phone. I got it last night from the HMD Global event hangout session with bloggers, and I'm super excited to see what is in this box. So join me and let's unbox this new baby. Ta-da! So here we have it. This is the new Nokia 8 phone. Looks good already, super sleek. Yes, I'll come back to that. So in the same box comes with an earpiece. I think it's a Nokia branded earpiece, and comes with a charger in a very interesting case as well. Oops, yeah. 3-pin, it's always a winner. Yes, so this is what's in the box, and then a pin to just open it up. The user manual. Read user manuals, people. Read user manuals. So let's get on with opening this new baby. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. There you have it, people. This is how it looks like. Super sleek, I must say. I'm super impressed with this version. So I think it's fair to say that Nokia is officially back. What do you guys think? Powered by Android. So hashtag Nokia loves Android. If you see that anywhere, just know that it's all because of this new baby. Classic. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I'll do a separate video to tell you about the functionalities and any other thing you need to know. But for now, this video was just to let you know that, hey, I've got a new baby. It's a Nokia 8, and we are going to abuse this baby. Yes. So I'll see you in the next video where we talk more about reviews and all of those things. And I'm sure by then I would have tried it out, so I can give you like very concrete review. Till then, watch me upload nice pictures with this phone, and let me know if you want one. Bye.